Alright guys, so there seems to be some confusion on KX65 forks, how to get them apart. So basically, you have a 6mm Allen bolt in the bottom, and then you have your cap and spring and washer and everything on top. What you're going to want to do is take the bottom bolt out first. You're going to use 6mm. You're going to put it in there, you're going to take your bolt out. It's going to loosen, but it may not come all the way out. That's when you want to grab an impact, electric or air. And what you might have to do is kind of put pressure on the fork. Push down on the top of it so it compresses. That's going to keep the inner assembly from spinning, and that bolt should back right out. So yeah, there's going to be some oil coming out of the bottom. You're going to make a mess. Happens every time, but that is the way you take them apart. And then you can pop your dust seal off right here, take the circlip out underneath it, and the whole fork will pull apart no problem. So that should clear up. A lot of people get confused. Sometimes these can be frozen on the top. This is a 17 mil head. Just take some MAP gas, hit it with MAP gas. It'll eventually loosen up. And the bolts on the bottom are the same way. That's common in all forks. Those can freeze. Just MAP gas it, and eventually it'll break loose. Take your time. Have some patience. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.